Welcome to my channel Nepal Today, and today I'm taking a video from a part of Nepal. This is from the Kathmandu Valley, and you can see the rays of the sun, the light coming out from the cloud. You can see up here, and then you can see the sun as well. Actually, I have never seen this before, and this is really a spectacular view that I have ever seen. The sky is cloudy, but the sunlight in the middle of the cloud, you can see right here, here this is coming out from the middle. Wow, this view, actually I haven't seen it before on the sky, actually whatever in the sky before. Wow, I'm sending this video to you all from a part of Nepal. I want to repeat it again. And this view, it's really nice scenery you can see over here. I hope the day won't be raining. Wow, again you can see, wow, the scenery. I'm sending it to you, to global audience from Nepal now. It's actually almost 6 p.m. in the evening. Wow, keep watching and supporting me. Thank you so much.